Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how we're going to migrate a Relay workflow over to general input as they're shutting down here shortly. So the first step is to create a general input account and then create a new workspace. We can call this one Relay Transition. If you sign up for a paid plan, which includes AI credits, unlimited workflows, up to 10 users in this plan, and our most premium features, you can use code RELAYAPP to get 50% off your first month while you transition. If not, you can also start for free by hitting this button down below. All right, the first step in setting up a general input workspace is to tell general input a little bit about your business or what the workspace is going to be used for. So you can use this microphone right here and say, hey, I run general input. We're going to use this workspace to build automations that help us run our business more efficiently. Fantastic. And then similarly, you can say, hey, I'm the CEO of general input, and I'm going to be in charge of delegating a bunch of work and a bunch of workflows to various people at the organization so that everyone can use general input to automate part of their day. Awesome. The first step is to connect some of these integrations. So you can do that here, or you can hit skip, and we'll do this once we have a workflow in mind. You can then select your favorite model, and it'll set some preferences about what your default model is in the workspace. And then these are your starter kit workflows and apps. You can go through these at a later time, but for the purpose of this demo, we're just going to create a new workflow. So to do that, we come into the Workflows tab on the left. We hit New Workflow, and then we hit Agentic Task and start from scratch. So now we have a templated workflow that's ready to be built, and at this point we can start migrating over from Relay. So if we go to the Relay tab, and the folks at Relay have done a great job of making this super easy, you can hit copy build prompt, copy prompt, go back into general input. I'm going to change the model here and just paste that in and start the process of letting your agent build the workflow. So quickly, I'll tell you a little bit about what this is doing. We have a library of 500 integrations. So whatever Relay workflow that you have in Relay should be able to be rebuilt within general input. It's going to go out and it's going to map your Relay workflow to the equivalent general input workflow and set that up for you. So now you can see we have a workflow copied over here on the right. And now we can test it. Fantastic. So this is how you translate any Relay.app workflow over. And then the key here is we need to enable it at the end of the day so that it runs on our schedule. Fantastic. Looks like that's all done. We have the full workflow translated over. You can give that a launch if you wanted to give it a test. You can see the agent executions that were run while it was being built. And then once it's enabled, you'll be able to see it in your general input hub so that you can quickly launch it or monitor it as it runs.